Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm going to show you 3 different bow methods that are super easy to do. This one I start by cutting 3 strips at 14 inches and 1 strip at 15 inches. This is 2.5-inch wired ribbon. The 14-inch strips, I am hot gluing the ends together so they make a loop. After I have my loops made, I take them each and I'm going to be pinching them in the center, making sure that glued area is in the center that I'm pinching. I then stack them on top of each other in my hand, take that 15-inch piece, fold it in half and pinch the center of that where it's folded. Add that to the back of the loops. Add a zip tie around all of those. Pull that nice and tight in the back. Make sure it's centered before I'm closing it fully, and then cut off the excess zip tie. I then fluff out the loops and dovetail the ends of those ribbons hanging down. And that's it for this one. This one is super easy and looks really pretty. The next one, again, I'm using 2.5-inch wired ribbon. I measure out a piece that's 8 inches and then I fold it onto itself. And then I flip it over onto itself 5 times. And then I just make sure that I'm going to have 3 loops on either side before I cut off the excess. I then cut another piece at 15 inches. And I'm bunching that in the center of that and just setting it aside. I then take the looped piece, pinch it in the center, take the 15-inch piece, put that on the back of those, take a zip tie, pull it nice and tight, and close that up in the back, cut off the excess, and then I pull apart all of those loops. So you'll have 3 on either side. And there'll be a long piece from where you had started. So I just pull that out and trim that down. And then again, I dovetail the ends of those tails. And that's it for this one. And the last one I'm going to show you is, again, 2.5-inch wired ribbon. I cut a strip at 20 inches. I take 6 inches of that and fold it onto itself. I then put a little bit of hot glue on either side of that piece I had folded and hot glue it onto itself. So you'll have a loop and then a tail hanging down. I do 3 of those, and then I do another 3, but cutting them at 18 inches, and then following the same process, measuring out 6 inches and folding it onto itself. This one looks really good doing it just one color or one pattern ribbon, but you could also split it up and do half one style, half another style to give it a little bit different look. After I have those all done, I dovetail the ends of each of those. I take each of them and I pinch it right above where I had glued it. Depending on the size loops you want, you can always make those loops shorter. So instead of the 6 inches, you could do about 5. These are a little bit bigger. Once I had them all bunched in my hand, I zip tied right around where I was holding it, and then fluffed out all of those loops, cut off the excess zip tie, and then fanned out all of those tails. You'll have many tails on this style bow. And that is it. These are 3 super easy bow methods. Thank you so much for watching.